Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm breaking down 5 key tips to boost your alliance contributions and grow stronger together. So tip number 1 is sending help to alliance members. Always send help to your alliance members, whether it's reducing their building times or supporting their defenses, every bit counts. Helping not only strengthens the alliance but also earns you alliance coins, which you can use in the treasury. Tip number 2 is defeating barbarians. Team up to defeat barbarians. Not only does this yield valuable resources, but it also strengthens alliance unity and provides rewards that can be reinvested into the alliance's growth. Coordinate with your team to take on tougher enemies for better loot. Tip number 3 is technology donations. Donate to Alliance technology. Contributing resources unlocks powerful buffs for everyone, like faster gathering speeds or better unit stats. Plus, you'll earn Alliance coins as a reward. You can make it a daily habit to donate. Or tip number 4 is Alliance buildings. These structures aren't just for show, they provide essential perks like resources bonuses and military boosts. Join efforts to build and upgrade these facilities to keep your alliance ahead. And lastly is participating in events. Whether it's city sieges or special challenges, events are one of the best ways to earn rare rewards. Stay active, coordinate with your team, and reap the benefits together. And there you have it. These are the 5 tips to master your alliance in Age of Empires Mobile. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!